Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so sorry it's been a hot minute since I last picked up my camera and checked in and said hi. There wasn't an intention to not have a video go up for 2 months. It was literally just busyness. The start of the year was extremely busy for us and work's been really busy as well, and it's just not occurred to me to pick up the camera, if I'm honest. I haven't been vlogging at all, or really watching what I eat and making particularly intentional choices and things like that when it comes to my food. And I did have, you know, that iron issue that I spoke about in my last vlog, and it's just been busy. There's been lots going on and I just haven't had the time nor the energy, if I'm honest, to pick up the camera. But I thought, you know what, 2 months is long. Like, I don't think I've ever had a 2-month break, but I'm back today. Sadly, I'm not vlogging. I do intend to put a vlog up very, very soon. In fact, I'm definitely going to get one put up in the next few weeks because I really miss it. I absolutely love vlogging, and I guess sometimes I just feel like I'm not doing anything different. It feels very boring, but actually, and I think I've said this before, my favourite vlogs to watch are just the super cozy at home, baking, cooking, hanging out, showing you a few bits and bobs that I love, and just pottering about and errand running. So I'm not going to think about the pressure of that too much. I'm just going to upload it and hopefully you guys enjoy it when I do film it. Anyway, today I'm filming a what I eat in a day. So a bit of a background and a catch up. I deleted the WW app, and it's just because I was paying for it, and I've been paying for it for years and years and years now, and I just don't check things anymore because I'm not in a position at all to lose any weight. And even though I figured, you know, it's handy to have, I can share points with you guys, it just felt really wasteful. So that money, instead of like paying for the WW app, I put it into like a little cat charity instead, that like rehome cats that need rehoming, because I just figured it was a better thing to spend my money on. I wasn't really using the app, but it just felt really wasteful where that money could go and do something quite meaningful. So that is what I've done. I do have like a calorie checker. I do check and share calories with you guys where I can, but it's going to be up to you guys to do those conversions. So I'm just going to get started. I hope you all enjoy it. This morning I woke up and I had some cereal. It's a cereal that is new to me from M&S, and I really enjoyed it. But I'm still on the hunt for the original cereal that I used to love back in the day. But anyway, I'll insert that now. This is a cereal that I'm going to have, and I haven't had this before. There was a cereal that I really used to like from M&S. It was kind of like this cluster cereal, and I've not managed to find it. This is the closest thing I hear. So I am on the hunt for it still, but this is the Toffee Nut Crunch, and it has toffee flavoured clusters, sliced Brazil nuts, pecans, hazelnuts, almonds, and crisped rice, and it looks really lovely. So I'm going to have some of this. I don't know if it's going to show up on the app. Actually, I don't have the app anymore, so I can't even check. I've stopped using it. I've stopped checking things just because I felt like I was paying for it for no reason. It just felt a bit silly. But in terms of calories, it says that per serving you're looking at around 215 calories a serving. So that's actually quite a lot for me for breakfast, especially when normally I'll just have a banana or something. But I'm trying to eat a little bit more in the morning, so, and it's the weekend. So yeah, that was delicious. It's now time for lunch. I might be having bacon tonight, and I don't want to have it twice because my plan for dinner tonight is to whip up some homemade Panko chicken burgers, which are one of my favourite things to make on a weekend. It's kind of like having a fake away, but I love it. It's so much nicer than any chicken burger you will buy. So my plan is to do that, but there are more calorie conscious choices for dinner, so I'm not going to lie to you about that. But I'm just trying to be truthful. I'm not calorie counting at the moment. When it comes to the weight, I'm still not managed to put much weight on, but I've not lost any since we last spoke, which is really good. So that's fantastic for me, and yeah, it's going really well. I've been having a few more treats here and there, so you definitely are going to see more treats in these videos. bit more indulging. And yeah, I'm hoping to do one for the office this week as well, where you can kind of follow me about the office and see what I eat on a working day. But anyway, I'm just gonna stop rambling. If you want to check out outfit links and that, I will try and pop them in the description box down below, so check them out. But yeah, let's go and have some lunch and get on with the rest of the day. Alright, so a bit of a change of plan. We've decided to have sausage baguettes. So I have baguette here, which is just one of those like regular tiger loaves. Actually, it's not a tiger, it's just a regular baton. I've got some butter. I'm not having anything light at the moment, apart from cheese, because I do like a lot of cheese. So I'm just on low pack regular butter. And the sausages that we're going to go for, not by my choice, but the ones that Andy and the kids prefer, we're going to have Richmond. So yeah, we're just going to have a nice filling sandwich. And then I think the plan is to nip out, Andy and I, because we want to go and get a few bits and bobs before everyone's back at school and work tomorrow. I want to get stuff for dinner tonight, like the panko and things like that, like some chicken and stuff. And then we'll come home, likely have a brew and a snack, and I've got some cookies that I'm so excited about, and then we'll get on with making dinner. But yeah, for now, a nice sausage butty I think is going to be great. I have them going in for 15 minutes, and then I like to kind of turn them around and move them about a little bit and put them back in. So I'm not cooking them for 15 minutes in total, but I do like to have a bit of a zhuzh and brush them with a bit more oil if they need it, to keep them nice and crisp. Whilst I'm waiting for my sausages to cook, I'm going to have some crisps because I'm just really peckish, and these are my favourite at the minute, and they're the extra virgin olive oil crisps with Mediterranean sea salt. They are so delicious. I could literally just sit and munch on these until the bag is empty. And they're so lovely and light, and yet they're packed with so much flavour. I really like them. I do love the truffle oil ones as well, as you guys know. But these are really delicious because you could literally have them with anything, and it wouldn't really take away from what you're eating them with. So if you're going to have them with like a dip or as part of a sandwich, you wouldn't have to think about the flavours, because these are just neutral but flavourful, if that makes sense. Mmm, so good. Whilst the brews are brewing, Andy and I are going to share one of our favourite things at the moment, which are these speckled egg cookies. They are so good, honestly. I mean, I'm not one to kind of bring Easter in too early, although I have just bought a decoration for the house. But these are speckled egg cookies with brown sugar, treacle, loaded with speckled eggs, cornflakes and white and milk chocolate. They are 330 calories per product. Obviously Andy and I will be having half of this, but who's to say whether we'll have another half later. It is likely, so chicken is ready, and I have my oil on with the thermometer. I need this to get to 180 degrees. When it does, I can start frying the chicken, and as a kind of insurance policy, I then pop it in the oven for about 10 minutes just in case, but it only adds to the crispiness, and I just like to make sure. So yeah, once this gets to 180, we'll start the fry. I use these Japanese milk buns. They are so delicious. They are so soft and fluffy. Each one contains 197 calories, which is perfectly fine, and honestly they are so soft. So I've cut them. I've cut about 20 grams worth of cheese as well, and we've just put some bacon in, which is just about to come out the oven, and we do like it well done, I'm afraid. So this might be way too dark for some people, but this crispiness, it just adds so much flavour. We love it so much. So I'm just going to assemble my burgers now. As I mentioned, I've got some cheese, I've got some mayo, I have some ketchup, and we've also put in some M&S frites. So we have some chips to go with it as well, and I think I might even have some coleslaw in the fridge, which is just the M&S deli coleslaw that I always buy. Really not know what to do in low light, but wow, it's struggling today. Crazy. But yeah, had dinner. It was really delicious. Those burgers, honestly, so easy and so much nicer than any takeaway you will ever have. They are so delicious. So we've had that. I'm now just sat with a Coke Zero, and I think the last thing I'll have tonight is probably an easy peeler, but I'm more likely to have that later on for my supper. So yeah, I'm gonna call it a day here, guys, but thank you so much for hanging out. I am sorry again, it has been longer than usual. I promise not to keep it as long till my next video. Now I'm kind of back into the swing of doing these. Hopefully I will do them a bit more frequently, but let me know if kind of you're not interested in them anymore because I'm not really tracking and pointing or sharing the calories. I guess for the point that I'm at in life, it's really not necessary for me to be counting everything. If you do want to check out the content that I produced previously, there is so much there when it comes to food, so much meal prep, so many ideas that you can get of how to meal plan and all of that good stuff. I hope you guys can just be along for the ride and see some really delicious food. And yeah, anyway, let me know, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I will see you in my next video, which I'm hoping it won't be too long before a vlog, but we'll see. But yeah, have a good one, and I'll see you in my next video.